If you've never tried Yamarita, you're seriously missing out. Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. Let me show you how to make this Nigerian street favorite. You don't need anything complicated, just fresh yam, eggs, onions, pepper, simple seasoning, and oil for frying. That's it. Start by peeling your yam. Slice it into medium rectangles, not too thin, not too thick. Rinse properly before cooking. Boil the yam with a little salt, but here's the trick. Don't overcook it. It should be slightly firm, about 70% done. Now for the magic. Crack your eggs into a bowl. This is where the flavor begins. Add chopped onions, fresh pepper, seasoning, thyme, and curry. Whisk everything together until smooth. Not too thick, not too watery, just perfect. Take each boiled yam slice, dip it generously into the egg mixture. Make sure it's fully coated. This coating is what gives it that signature flavor. Carefully place it into hot oil. Hear that sizzle? That's flavor building. Fry until golden brown. Don't rush it. Flip gently. Let both sides become beautifully crispy. Remove and place on paper towel to drain the excess oil, and just look at that color. Golden, crispy, perfect. Break it open, soft, fluffy inside. This is Yamarita. One bite and you'll understand why this is a street favorite in Nigeria. Crunchy outside, soft inside, pure satisfaction. Would you try this? Save this recipe. Follow and subscribe for more Nigerian street food classics. You can also let us know in the comment section the type of recipe you would like us to make next.